Hello, welcome back on my channel English with HR Pooja. So today my topic is how we will learn. I don't have the environment to speak English. So I have the solution that way you can learn new English speak and a way you can improve your communication skills. So uh, let's start. So I want to say that you can start from yourself first. Understand? So first solution is that start speaking with yourself. Start talking with yourself. Our mind always speaks something. So why not taking advantage if you have on your mind whatever is speaking, you just start take advantage from your mind. That is, whatever your mind is speaking, just start speaking English. You try to speak with yourself in English. So first you have to improve this thing. Okay, then only you will learn gradually. First, this is the very important part if you want to improve your communication skills. Okay, and also after that, second way you can learn that you should stand in front of mirror. Okay, just watch like on your eyes and talk with yourself loudly. Speak whatever you speak, just speak loudly. Okay, and watch, like look at your eyes and talk with yourself, and whatever you have in your mind, speak 15 minutes or 10 minutes every day. Anything you are speaking wrong or right, speak one word or one sentence, speak repeatedly. You will speak, maybe first day you will speak one sentence, after 2 or 3 days you will speak 3 or 4 sentences. But in the this process you will earn many sentence, like you will earn know how to speak sentence also, and your confidence is will boost gradually. I will do, you are not observing, but indirectly your confidence is boosting. So you should practice on the mirror, so you can improve your communication also. Front of mirror, if you are practicing, then your pronunciation, your the face expression, and your hand gesture, all of these things improve, and also your confidence will improve and many things improve. Mirror is very important thing. So start speaking front of mirror. Okay, and second thing I already told. So third thing is just start speaking in your family, with your family member. In your family member, anybody's know, like don't know English, then it's not that they have to speak English. You speak in English, then you can say in Hindi, but you can start speaking English, any word or any sentence if you want to speak, because they will never say that why you are speaking English with me, because they know that you are learning, so they will understand this thing. We will mean understand when you will talk with the people front of the, like in your life, then your confidence is will increase day by day. And also after this practice we will also able to talk with the other people, understand? So you just start speaking this way also. And other, you can, if you want to improve their English communication, if you don't have the like anybody to talk, then also you have a lots of app where you can improve your communication skills. So I also did lots of practice on this app, so I will tell you that name the Be Angrej. This app is very useful. You go and search and talk on this app. You should learn something. And also Ace Fluency app. This app is also good where you can learn. These apps are like free of cost, and also you can pay. If you want to take any plan, then you will pay and then you will talk on this app. And also you have the Joss Skills app. So if you want to speak, you have so many like thing. If you want to improve your communication, is that if you have like seriousness of learning this language, otherwise we have lots of things to improve your English communication. Then you go and talk on the jaws app, skills app. This app is like you have to pay some amount, so where you also improve their communication. And also if you talk, if you want to talk with the Twitter, like you don't want to talk with the like co-learner who also want to improve their communication. So okay, so in this situation you can join clapingo, and then you can join like Cambly. So on this app you can improve your communication. So start speaking and start practicing, and after some time if you need any help, I will make video on this thing. And till now you start practice on this app and just download on the, like you can download it on the like Play Store, and this will help you. Or this is helpful or not, you just comment or tell me. And till then, bye.